In the previous video, we created the dictionary world, which basically is a set of key-value pairs. You could easily access the population of Albania by passing the key in square brackets, like this. For this lookup to work properly, the keys in a dictionary should be unique. If you try to add another key-value pair to world with the same key, Albania for example, you'll see that the resulting world dictionary still contains 3 pairs. The last pair in the curly brackets was kept in the resulting dictionary. Also, these unique keys in a dictionary should be so-called immutable objects. Basically, the contents of immutable objects cannot be changed after they're created. Strings, booleans, integers and floats are immutable objects, but the list, for example, is mutable because you can change its contents after it's created. That's why this dictionary, that has all immutable objects as keys, is perfectly valid. This one, however, that uses a list as a key, is not valid, so we get an error. So you already understand how to build a valid dictionary and how to access it using square brackets. Let's see how we can add more data to a dictionary that already exists. Say, for example, that you, an employee of the World Bank, decide to acknowledge the Principality of Sealand. Sealand is an unrecognized micronation on an offshore platform located in the North Sea. At the moment, it has 27 inhabitants. To add this information, simply write the key Sealand in square brackets and assign 27 expressed in millions to it with the equal sign. If you check out world again, indeed, Sealand is in there. To check this with code, you can also write Sealand in world, which gives you true if the key Sealand is in there. With the same syntax, you can also change values, for example to update the population of Sealand to 28. Because each key in a dictionary is unique, Python knows that you're not trying to create a new pair, but want to update the pair that's already in there. You can see this from this printout. Suppose now that your boss didn't see the humor of adding Sealand to the list and asks you to remove it again. You can do this with del, again pointing to Sealand inside square brackets. If you print world again, Sealand is no longer in there. Good riddance. If you remember the discussion of lists from the intro course, you'll notice that operating lists and dictionaries is pretty similar. You can select, update and remove elements with square brackets. There are some big differences though. The list is a sequence of values that are indexed by a range of numbers. The dictionary, on the other hand, is indexed by unique keys that can be any immutable type. When to use which one, I hear you asking? Well, if you have a collection of values where the order matters and you want to easily select entire subsets of data, you'll want to go with a list. If, on the other hand, you need some sort of lookup table where looking for data should be fast and where you can specify unique keys, a dictionary is the preferred option. Now off to some more exercises on dictionaries.